Today we're looking at the new Kindle Oasis by Amazon. It's the newest generation. It has Wi-Fi and cellular built into it, and also the largest screen. Let's get started. This is the largest Kindle display that's created by Amazon. This one is 7 inches. It has a 300 ppi. It is actually waterproof with a IPX8 rating. That's down to 2 meters for 60 minutes. It's also 4G LTE and Wi-Fi. The unit itself weighs just a little less than the other versions that are actually out there, like the Paperwhite. As you can see, it comes turned on. There's page turn buttons, left and right. You actually have the charge port. There's right here, it's standard USB, micro, and the power button. And then it's asking now to actually put the password in, and then you can actually save it to Amazon with this device. This device, you can actually hook it up to a Bluetooth speaker and use the Whisper Speak technology if you have an Audible account, so you can switch off between reading the book and then listening to part of the book. It actually comes with an actual charging cable. They don't actually supply the wall mount plug, so you'll actually have to purchase that separately, and they run about $20 on Amazon. Let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick also. And it's just a little standard 5-volt wall plug that they actually sell for it. The Apple, if you have like an iPhone or an iPod or an iPad, those chargers will also work for these. The iPad's a little larger of a charger, 10 watt and not a 5 watt charger, so it'll actually charge the unit a little quicker. The charge time for running the actual unit itself is actually pretty long. It doesn't use a lot of battery. It also has a little book that comes with it. Talks about the water protection and basically the page up, page down buttons on the actual screen itself. We went ahead and got a case to go with this one also. This is a case by CaseBot. And this one is actually the leather and the leather suede. And as you can see, it's actually got the notch built in right here. This is like a plastic with a small deal of rubber put into it. And it'll fit right in. Nice and snug into it. And there's little notches right here along the side for the actual buttons up and down. The power button is open right here on the end. The power port is open here. When you actually shut the lid or the case, it actually turns the unit off. It also does have a built-in light for night reading. It's got 32 gigs, 4G LTE plus Wi-Fi. You pay the extra $99 and it's a lifetime 4G service for the actual device. A charge actually lasts weeks and not hours. That's how well the battery is on the actual device. It only takes just a couple of hours to charge it fully to the max, and then you're good to go for a couple of weeks. If you like this video, please click the like button down below. If you didn't like the video, click the thumbs down button. But leave a comment below and tell us what you think. If you have one of these Kindles and you like it, please leave a comment below and tell us if there's any great accessories that you found to go with it. Be sure to click the subscribe button and then the like button right next to it to be notified whenever we actually upload another video. And thanks for watching.